topic today, beginning sound. Beginning sounds. So, what will be beginning sounds in this row? Letter S sound. And we need to find all words with beginning sound. Let's see. Carrot.
Carrot.
Is it sound? No. Bye-bye, carrot. Sun.
Yeah.
Is it sound? Yes? And you can see example. Yes? It's okay. So. Yes?
No.
So. Yes? Yes. Turtle.
No.
So now prepare your pencils, please. We will do together. One more time, pay attention to example. Yes? Row number 1 is example. So we need to identify, we need to find letter S, sound S. And how can we find that? Right under the word, under the pictures, letter S. So next row, we need to find letter W, sound W. W. Ready? Pick.
No.
Bye-bye, pick. Wet.
Yeah.
Don't forget to write the letter W here, please.
Okay.
Socks.
No.
Bye-bye, socks. Water.
Yes.
Please write letter W. Water. Water. Yes. Ready? Next letter. Letter C, sound K. Ready? Cold. Yes? Yes.
Yes.
Don't forget to write letter C here. What next? Cat. Yes or no?
Yes.
P. It's P.
No. No.
Table. No. Bye-bye, table. Good job, guys. What is next? Letter P, sound P.
Yes.
Hat.
No. No.
Mouse.
No.
Penny.
Yes.
Penny is the kind of the coin. Penny. So here little bit. Good job. What next? Letter S, sound again. Okay. Socks.
Yes. Yes.
Corn.
No.
Bye-bye, corn.
No.
Look.
Now.
It's a swan. Swan. Swan in Vietnamese will be
Con thiên nga.
swan.
Thiên nga.
And the beginning sound S. So letter S will be here today. Swan.
Teacher.
And the last one, seal.
No.
Seal, yes. So. Socks. Swan.
Letter S like this.
Seal.
Look, sir. It's not letter S.
Okay, ready? The last letter is
Rabbit.
letter R, sound R. Rabbit.
Yes.
Letter R here. Zoa, rabbit.
Yes, sir.
Swing.
No.
Rain.
Yes.
The rain. R.
Do.
Yeah. R.
Bye bye. Do. Good job, amazing.